Good morning, friend. How are you? Now we are talking about the micrometer. We are learning micrometer working today. How are you? Okay, let's go for micrometer. Basically, we are starting from their components of micrometers. So basically, we are starting here. Anvil. It's an anvil, and it's a spindle. A spindle basically uh, rotate. It's adjustable. Spindle we can adjust further or backside. It's a measuring surface. Both are measuring surface. We can fix here our object and we can move from here our spindle from ratchet side. Okay. Uh, it's a main scale reading and 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. And in this side, lower side, it's a sleeve scale. It's a different basically. And we have another thing here. It's a locking device. We can lock our spindle for a timing, whether we are capture our object between of the spindle and anvil. Whether we are rotate after locking device, our micrometer scale has damage. Please do carefully use your micrometer. Why we are going to locking? Don't push, don't rotate ratchet. It may damage. Okay, next it's a thimble scale reading. Okay, 0 to 5, 5 to 10. And next it's a ratchet and it's a ratchet. Suppose to we are fix our object here between the anvil and spindle. We can fix and lock here. But first of all, whether we are going to fix our object here, don't rotate continuously on forcefully. When we reach here near to spindle to our object, please do use this ratchet smoothly. Basically, it's very sensitive device, and we want to find out some micron level error, micron level objects measurement. So we carefully use our ratchet and fix here by locking twice. Let's go for measuring scales. It's a 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 25. That is a main scale reading, and we called here 0 to 1 is 1 mm and 0 to 5 is 5 mm. 5 to 10, 5 to 10, 10 mm. Okay. Same time we are saying here in lower side, it's a sleeve scale. Sleeve scale basically in between of the 0 to 1 mm, that is called 0.50 mm. It's a half mm of total 1 mm. Okay, so that is called sleeve scale reading 0.5. Suppose so many people are going to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 of sleeve scale reading. That is a wrong. We cannot count 1 2 3 4 5. That is only a 0.50 reading here. In between of 0 to 1 or 1 to 2, 5 to 5 to 6, that is a 0.5 to 0, 0.50 mm reading here mentioned. Second, and another 0.50 reading we can find out here in thimble scale reading. 0 to 5 is 5 unit and 5 to 10 is 10 unit. So basically we have a 0.50 mm reading here in sleeve scale reading, and 0.50 mm reading we can find out in thimble scale reading. So both are separate, but we can calculate through our micrometer. Okay, let's go. Suppose so we are saying here 20 this measurement. Here is a measurement also. 25. Our thimble scale are adjusted here 25 mm. So we can write down here main scale reading is 25, and the our thimble scale are cross of the 25. That's why we wrote here 25 mm, and it's also cross the 0.50 mm reading. So we can write here sleeve scale reading 0.50 mm. Second, third, another in between of the 25 to 6, we can find out 0.50 reading here and another reading The cross of 0.50 reading is here, so we can find out another reading is there, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can find out here 5. Accurately it's matched on sleeve scale reading to thimble scale reading. So we can write down here, thimble scale reading is 0.50 mm, 5 units basically. So 0.50 mm reading. Our micrometer least count is 0.01 mm. We can write down here 0.05 mm multiplied by least count 0.01 mm. It is a similar basically, whether we are calculate or multiply least count to our thimble scale reading, that is the same. That's why we write down here, just we are calculating plus, basically we are going to plus. So 25 main scale reading and sleeve scale reading plus thimble scale reading, 25.55 mm total reading. So that's our reading basically. So again I'm vomit it again. 0 to 25, that is a main scale reading. We calculate basically our thimble scale are crossed of 25. That's why we write down here 25, and sleeve scale reading also cross our thimble scale 0.50. We write down here 0.50 mm, and thimble scale reading we search here 0 to 5 mm accurately match here the midline of the main scale or sleeve scale reading. So 0.05 mm we calculate here total 25.55 mm. That's a micrometer reading. We can find out our problem here, and whether we are going to check our micrometer through any object, that is a very beneficial to our life and our interview side. In the many companies, our automobile sector or mechanical sides, it is a necessity to work with your special tool or measuring tools. We have to be good knowledge about measuring tools. That is a mandatory. If you want to generate some queries through your site, you can put some questions on comment box. Please write down, and thank you very much. Now we are going to next video. Please do share my video, like and comment also. Thank you very much.